Guys, today's video will be more awesome and stunning gadgets. In this video you will see amazing transformable cars and charging station which charge multiple phones at a time. You can buy all these gadgets from Amazon and online. Guys, welcome to all of you on Gadget World. Gadget number 1, and we'll start in a way, from devices that just belong to your home. The phones in the neighborhood will be charged simultaneously with this gadget. Our different charging cables remain scattered in the home. Well, first of all, this charging station should be installed at home. You have to set it at a place in and attach to it. Ask for all the phones of the people in the neighborhood and bring it in and set it like this, and they will start charging simultaneously. Hi guys, sit back, relax and enjoy these awesome gadgets. This seat anywhere, literally anywhere. She will arrange for you to sit comfortably. Have Sitbax, Bleacher seats. Assume you are somewhere. Have you gone out to the train station or like the bus, be it at the station or in the bank, wherever. There is no place to sit so that it hurts your legs while standing. Instead of this seat you can take this backpack folds. When people first see it they will say, it is a backpack. But as soon as you unfold it and sit on it, and if you go, then they will feel comfortable in it. All features are available friends, like full swivel. You can rotate it. Head, there are pillows for your head and neck. Rear side support will remain armrests. It means, if you look at it in our homes, which are normal traditional chairs, right? It has more features than that. Will you get a seat somewhere because of this seat? It doesn't matter if you get your personal seat, always carry with you. Now those who take a lot of tension, whether it is tension of work or studies, this Luminous Fidget is for them only. When you take it in your hand and use it, if you fidget with it, then your stress will definitely reduce in it. There are Luminous which glow in night and which keep doing gyroscopic motion. It is a small gadget that can be easily put in your pocket. When you get tired while working or feel a little stressed, just take it in your hand and rotate its spheres with your hand, and you will start feeling that way because the motion of it is quite satisfying. Friends, take less tension and work more. Let's move on to number 4, which is another powerful fidget toy. Now this one is completely different from the previous one. It is magnetic. It has small magnetic pieces which you can join together to make different shapes. These pieces come in triangular shapes and all of them attach to each other with a snap, edge by edge, that is, they join together side by side by combining these. You can create different types of show pieces, or you can pass your free time by showing your creativity with these magnetic pieces. You can also buy this from Amazon. Your favorite in Transformers, tell me in the comments. If you are looking for these cool Transformer cars, then these are the toys. Such toys make even for adults, and for child, Transformers fans like, and your will change into robot. You can do all this with remote. It can rotate in 360 degrees easily, and it can transform while moving. You buy this gadget easily from Amazon. Look your best whether you are at home or out. If you are traveling, then for those who travel a lot, the Modurazor is an ideal gadget for them. It is a compact razor made of titanium with which you can shave on the go. This razor stays packed in its EDC case, so it is completely safe to use even in harsh conditions. It is also very easy to use as compared to conventional razors. You just need to apply the blade and cream on your face. And after using it, wash it, open it and keep it in its case and bag. Keep it in your pocket, so simple to use. Again, for those who travel a lot, this is perfect because before a business meeting, or before going anywhere, with this, they can shave in a few seconds and get a smooth look. I am showing it especially for students, because I am showing them because they have to go out of the house to take tuitions etc., and they have to study at home, and it is already hot at this time. So this is a tiny foldable fan which has 5 speed modes, and it can give good air to a single person. It is rechargeable and you can charge it with any normal USB cable. If there is no electricity, even if the inverter not works, then it will be very useful for you in summers. Plug it in while studying at dusk, but it will not make any noise, and air will also be blown by it. It looks so compact you can easily carry it in your backpack. It will be within your budget. So basically first of all you have to assemble it, you have to install its pedestals. After that, if it is installed, then put it on the wall of your room or like this, put it on its stand, and then as soon as you switch it on, it will create amazing 3D holograms. The fan will be visible, no, it will disappear and this will take its place, holograms will start running. This fan is smart, means you can control it directly from your smartphone, and literally by making a hologram of anything you want, it will immediately display it to you in 3D. If your laptop starts heating up as soon as you play games, it becomes so hot that you can even cook on it, then understand that its condition is not good now, and if you are not able to make the budget for a new laptop, then till then you can buy this laptop cooler pad. You can keep the laptop on it and then play games, then the laptop will not heat up that much. This pad has 6 cooling fans which when work together, dissipate the entire heat of the laptop. If your laptop starts heating up as soon as you play games, it becomes so hot that you can even cook on it, then understand that its condition is not good now, and if you are not able to make the budget for a new laptop, then till then you can buy this laptop cooler pad. You can keep the laptop on it and then play games, then the laptop will not heat up that much. This pad has 6 cooling fans which when work together, dissipate the entire heat of the laptop. Which keeps the laptop absolutely cool. You can also adjust the speed of the fans in it easily, and it has an RGB strip on the side. So what? This cooling pad gives it a very amazing look as well as a laptop stand. In addition to the pad, it will also work as a laptop stand in which you will be able to set the lamp at your desired height, and it also has a removable phone holder so that you don't miss any notifications while playing games. Before shooting the video we had to do a lot of tests. All you have to prepare the setup, right, this light, put this phone there, put it on that tripod. Why so much extra hassle when you can prepare your setup instantly? I can do this with a stand kit. Your smartphone mounts magnetically to the device in a second, and then you can hold it somewhere like a tripod, shoot videos, or hold it in your hand like a selfie stick and make videos or create vlogs. It's foldable so it can easily fit in your backpack, but when you fully unfold it, it becomes very long. That is, its length is good enough that you can shoot videos at face level very easily, and along with the height you can also adjust its angle by tilting the phone. Guys, now it's your turn. If you not still like the video, like it now. Also subscribe the channel and push bell, you will get notification of new video. Let's guys meet in another video with more awesome and fabulous gadgets. Take care yourself and enjoy. Bye.